kind of like looks like it's stretching. Go straight.
Crazy.
Of course.
Dude, I like want to stay here. I don't want to stay here.
Stretch deck. Where do I even begin? You take any deck and you stretch it. It really is that simple. You take your deck of cards, you stretch it, and it looks absolutely bonkers. You start with a regular deck, and you end with a regular deck that you can continue to use for the rest of your routines. This clever handmade gimmick can be added or taken away from your deck at a moment's notice. This is perfect for close-up or strolling, and it's a fantastic visual opener. The illusion is so convincing, you might even fool yourself. Now, I know, it looks like something that can only be done on video, but I promise you this is designed to work in the real world. The deck is even examinable before and after the stretch. This gimmick probably isn't even what you're thinking. There's no elastics, there's no magnets, and it's so satisfying to do, it almost feels like it works itself. There is no complex sleight of hand. Magicians of any skill level can learn to do this in no time. Okay, it's time for a quick 5 questions about stretch deck. Question 1, is it easy to do? Yes, it is. Question 2, is there any difficult sleight of hand? No, there's not. Question 3, is the gimmick gonna last a long time? Absolutely. Question 4, can I use any deck? You can. Question 5, is this the best card trick ever? That's a bit of a stretch.